Okay, in my previous video, I have explained the unbiasedness and consistency. So, sample mean as we denote by x bar, and sample variance similarly we can denote by capital S square, and whose formula is this is equal to 1 by n summation xi minus x bar whole square. This is the formula for sample variance. Now there is one important observation that sample variance is not an unbiased estimator of population variance. So this is your population variance, and this is the parameter, that means this is your theta, and here the sample variance, this is your statistics, that means t. So here you can check that expectation of capital S square is not equals to sigma square, that means S square is not an unbiased estimator of sigma square. Now we are going to prove this one, and why this is important, because we know that sample mean is unbiased estimator of population mean. That means we have already proved this one, that expectation of x bar is equal to mu. So this is your sample mean is equal to population mean. But here we are going to prove that sample variance is not unbiased estimator of population variance. Now we are writing down the formula again. S square is equal to 1 by n summation xi minus x bar whole square. So this is equal to 1 by n summation xi square minus 2xi x bar plus x bar square. So this is equal to 1 by n summation, separate the terms, xi square minus 2x bar summation xi, because x bar is the sample mean, so this is not going to vary over the summation, plus summation x bar square. So this is equal to 1 by n summation xi square minus 2 into x bar summation xi, that means we know x bar is equal to 1 by n summation xi. So from here we can see summation xi is equal to n into x bar. So let's put here n into x bar into x bar, that means x bar square, plus here also x bar square, this term, constant term, is added in times sum over here, so this will be n into x bar square. So that term can be written as 1 by n summation xi square minus n into x bar square. So that is the this one is the derived form of sample variance. Now to prove this one, that this is an unbiased estimator, we are going to take expectation on this term. So take expectation of S square, this is equal to, we can take 1 by n, this expectation term can be put into the summation term, so I'm taking this one in one step, summation e of xi square minus n into expectation of x bar square. So this is equal to 1 by n. Now here is the thing, for this part we are going to use one thing. Suppose we have taken the sample values from a normal distribution n of mu comma sigma square, where mu is the sample mean and sigma square is the mu is the population mean, sigma square is the population variance. Now you can check that this is the sample. Suppose this one is the sample capital X, which has been taken from normal distribution mu comma sigma square. Then you can write down that sample mean, if you take x bar, which will be from normal distribution mu comma sigma square by n. This one. So if a sample this sample follows a normal distribution of mu comma sigma square, then sample mean will follow the normal distribution of mu comma sigma square by n. Now let us take here the sample follows normal distribution. So according to this thing, we can write down here summation e of xi square. That means we can write down here summation sigma square plus mu square. And where do we get this thing? Because as x follows normal distribution mu comma sigma square, then we can write down e of xi, this is equal to mu, this one said earlier, and variance of xi, this is equal to sigma square. So sigma square, this is equal to e of xi square minus x bar square minus not x bar, here will be population mean mu square. So from here we can write down e of xi square is equal to sigma square plus mu square. So from the variance definition we can extract this formula form, that is e of xi square is equal to sigma square plus mu square. So we put this one over here minus n into, similarly here if this random variable follows normal distribution of this one, then we can write down e of xi square is equal to sigma square plus mu square, that means variance plus mean square. Similarly you can prove this one, that e of x bar square, in place of xi if you put x bar, this will be e of x bar square is equal to, here is variance sigma square by n plus mu square. This one you can check this one. So here we are putting this formula, that n into sigma square by n plus mu square. So this is equal to, now if you simplify this part, summation mu square, that is n into mu square minus n into mu square, so mu square will be cancelled out and only this part will be there. So 1 by n, here this value is n into sigma square minus n over n cancelled out sigma square. So we are getting this term as n minus 1 by n into sigma square. So easily you can see that expectation of s square is not equals to sigma square. Here is one term added, that is multiplied with sigma square, that is n minus 1 by n. So s square is not an unbiased estimator of sigma square. Now if you multiply this term with s square, that is n by n minus 1 into s square, and now if you take expectation over this, then you can find out this value is equal to sigma square. So the unbiased estimator of sigma square will be this whole term, n by n minus 1 into s square. So there is another term often we use there, that small s square, this is equal to 1 by n minus 1 summation xi minus x bar whole square, and this term is called sample mean square. This term is called sample mean square. Now if you put this term over here, so s square is equal to 1 by n summation xi minus x bar whole square. Put this value over here, so 1 by n, and this n will be cancelled out, and here will be 1 by n minus 1 into this term, and this is actually your this value small s square, which is your sample mean square. So from this part you can write down expectation of small s square is equal to sigma square, where small s square is equal to this term. That means for population variance, to find out a unbiased estimator, that will be sample mean square. That's all. Thank you.